If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary loading issues. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that your game is up to date. Check for any available updates for GTA 5 and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This can resolve many loading issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider reinstalling GTA 5. Uninstall the game completely, then download and install it again. This can fix persistent loading problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums for further assistance.